this is Lick and Turtle Parts Pro today for 2024 Kia Stonic stock number 6753. This ran from the 8th 2020 to the current shape. Here's a G3 LE 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a G3 LE 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory naked tyre. Left rear 15-inch factory naked tyre. Left tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory naked tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right hand headlight. Right front 15-inch factory naked tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.